Step into the GMC 2018 Sierra 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Preferred Equipment Group 1SA, 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system, AM/FM radio, premium audio system, GMC infotainment system, radio data system, radio, AM/FM GMC infotainment system, air conditioning and single-zone air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.